Hello, my name is Herbert Villafuerte, and I'll be talking about Ignaz Semmelweis and his contributions to quality improvement. Ignaz Semmelweis was born on July 1st, 1818, in Buda, Hungary. He was a German-Hungarian physician, married with 5 children. He was appointed assistant at the OB clinic in 1844, where later on he became professor of OB at the University of Pest in 1855. He ran two OB clinics for the poor. One was run by medical students and the other one by midwives. His studies began shortly after one of his friends died of a stick injury while doing an autopsy. Hand hygiene at the time was not something practiced commonly. Semmelweis noted the death rate from childbed fever, puerperal fever, was high. He ran two clinics, as I mentioned. One was medical students and one was midwives. The medical students, did not wash their hands between doing autopsies and running back to the maternity ward to see patients. Hand hygiene was not a common practice at the time, based on the premise that doctors are gentlemen and gentlemen's hands are clean. So he decided to look into this, and he developed a study. Control independent groups were identified. Women who died of puerperal infection following delivery more frequently in a clinic that was run by medical students. So students were ordered to start washing their hands with chlorinated lime solution before examining women in the medical wards after doing autopsies. The findings were quite interesting. Mortality rates dropped significantly from 18.27% to 1.27. That year, March and August 1848, no woman died in either of his clinics. His findings were ridiculed by the medical community, since hand hygiene was not a practice at the time. Doctors are gentlemen and gentlemen's hands are clean. From his studies later on, they were accepted as medical science. Hand hygiene was proven to be effective in preventing the spread of infection, and as the most important element in preventing the spread of disease. Semmelweis later on became regarded as the father of infection control. Thank you very much.